Baby farm animals. Let's learn the names of animal babies at the farm. A baby cattle is called a calf. Baby rabbits are called kittens, bunnies, or kits. Baby dogs are called pups. Baby goats are called kids or billies. Baby ducks are called ducklings. A baby horse is called a foal. A male baby horse is called a colt, whereas a female baby horse is called a filly. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Baby pigs are called as piglets or SHOATs. A litter of piglets is called a FARROW. Baby chickens are called chicks. A young hen is called a pullet. A young rooster is called a COCKRELL. A baby cat is called a kitten. A baby donkey is called a foal. A baby goose is called a gosling. A baby camel is called a calf. A baby swan is called a cygnet or a flapper. A baby deer is called a fawn. A baby guinea pig is called a pig or a pup. A baby llama is called a CRIA. Baby mice are called pups, pinkies, or kittens. Baby ostriches are called chicks. A baby alpaca is called CRIA. A baby reindeer is called a calf. Baby frogs are called tadpoles or froglets. A baby turkey is called a POULT. A baby pigeon is called a SQUAB or SQUEAKER. A baby quail is called a chick.